Welcome! I'm Shelly from Century 21 Curacao, your #1 brokerage on the island. Today I'm very excited to welcome you to this gated neighborhood called Cas Abou. I hope that you're going to love this villa. It boasts beautiful panoramic views. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. The owners have done a beautiful job of incorporating modern renovations while keeping the Caribbean charm. See yourself here going to sunsets after a long Caribbean day, or if you have short-term rental investment opportunity dreams, call me. I'm Shelly, Century 21. I can't wait to hear from you.